On the 30th of December 2025, my house was attacked with a petrol bomb. And since then, my family have been put in emergency accommodation by our landlord. And we've been having to order takeaway with our own money. We've been having to, the kids, we've been in the hospital basically. Straight away after we've been in the hospital, once we were discharged, we went to the hotel. And we've been living off takeaways, living off the kindness of our friends. I'd like to thank my friends for helping and the support they've given. In terms of why we think this happened, we don't know. It could have been the wrong house. It could have been because we're Black and Irish. It could have been many things, but what we do know is it's not the first time someone has attacked our home. In July, our windows were smashed. The Gardaí investigated it. They took our CCTV, but they told us nothing no follow-up was made. And so in terms of the future now, long term, I'm determined to finish my master's. I'm currently studying in DC, doing a master's in journalism, and I'm determined whether it's me hustling, whether it's the kindness of other people giving me an opportunity to work and grow my career as a journalist. I'm determined to get that done. I'm determined for my brother to do his leaving cert. I'm determined for my sister to get her junior cert done, and my other siblings as well in their respective years.